Hey guys, today we're going to walk through one of the brand new floor plans by Ibex, the 19MSB. One of my personal favorites here by Ibex, and again, one of my favorite brands. Here's a good look at that bush kitchen that is the only option by Ibex until they come out with that new power pack that they're going to option here. Let's take a look at this camper and see what all it has to option. Stepping inside here, you have cabinetry immediately to your left, and there's your 12-volt refrigerator. Here's their new countertop look. They call it butcher block. Of course, it is still laminate countertops, but they give that active butcher block look there. Awesome. There is your futon style couch in the slide there, giving you plenty of room. Have a Murphy bed in the front, giving you a couch and a little bit more space. Little removable table there on a leg. Again, even more space inside of this camper. A couple little chairs there to give you that dinette style feel there. And of course, there's a 12-volt TV we passed there. Moving into the bathroom here on this camper, there's your throne as well as your shower, corner shower in this one. And then of course they have the shower miser inside of here. Nice vanity. And of course they continue that butcher block style countertop in here, giving it that nice unique look inside the Ibex. They do it great on these campers. Aluminum cage construction on all of these campers, so they keep them nice, lightweight. Thanks for joining us on them.